Hi guys, and in this video I will be going specifically into the CoinX FAQ. So for those that do not really know anything about CoinX, this particular video is basically to quickly run through the introduction into FAQ as frequently asked questions. So let me just quickly start my mining at the moment. So as you can see, I just started my mining and it's running down. So good. Let's quickly go to the FAQ page. So and here we have, so now what are the FAQ questions we have here? Why can't I start my mining session? Basically, you have to verify your email to start the mining session on the CoinX. So that's that about that. So what is CoinX? CoinX is a new coin you can mine using the Coin app. CoinX is part of our ecosystem where transaction will be safely done within our blockchain. What is the ecosystem? The ecosystem of CoinX is a community of companies that work with us and only use CoinX as a payment method. Community of companies. Did you note that? Follow our latest news and news topics to check our latest updates and learn more about our new network and ecosystem. Good. Can you see that? So it is a community of companies that own them. Can I trade my coin? At this point, it's not possible to trade your CoinX. Don't buy or sell CoinX coin on other websites. Those might be scams. CoinX will first build up its network. After that, the coin will be available for trading. Trading CoinX is planned for fourth quarter of 2022. The official website is cnxnetwork.org. Straightforward enough. What is a blockchain? A blockchain is a peer-to-peer network of computer and servers known as nodes that both participate and monitor the transfer of information and assets. Every transfer is recorded on each user's computer node, generating a platform of trust based on several identical copies of ledger. Can I get a CoinX node? Apply for the node at admin@coinxminer.com. Basically, if you get the node, it's going to increase your mining rate. That is what that is going to do for you. And then you have an official copy of all the transactions going on the blockchain of the CoinX. So I want to invest in CoinX. What is currently possible? Investing in the pre-sale is available on cnxnetwork.org/pre-sale. This is for those who want to buy the coin. So that's that. So now, for how long can I mine coins for free? Well, free mining is only planned to be available till 31st December 2022. So if you have not joined, this is the right time for you to join. Mining ends on 31st December 2022. What is the waiting list? At this point, CoinX accepts 5 million users. After those 5 million users, people can create an account but will be put on a waiting list till there is a place. When a user is not active for more than 2 days, the user will lose his mining rights and will be placed at the end of the waiting list. This will be so. We only create a community with solely active miners. Once we notice the waiting line is getting too big, we might increase it a bit, so other users get a fair chance. Can you see that? So they are planning for only just 5 million people on the network. Wow. What happens if I'm not active for more than 48 hours? You have a chance to get put on the waiting list. In that case, you can't mine till another inactive user has been put on the waiting list behind you, and you will move a space forward on the list until it's your turn to rejoin the waiting list again. No worries, you will always keep your coin stored in your CoinX account. Can you see that? Can you see new discoveries here? How can I delete my account? Send a message to support@coinminer.com with the reason why you want to delete it. After mailing us, we will ask for verification. After verifying, we can take you out of the database. We want that your CoinX account will be forever lost. So why can't I mine for longer than 24 hours? You can't mine for longer than 24 hours because you want to have an active network that allows you to earn coins by being an active member. Active members are also called ambassadors, and for being an ambassador, you have to be rewarded. It will make no sense if we would give it to people for entirely free. What is the price of expectation of CoinX? Wow, in the future. Now look at this now. That depends on several factors. It is not possible to determine in advance how much one coin will be worth. Take for example Bitcoin, which used to be cost less than a cent. Now it's worth more than $50,000. That is as at the time they are writing this write up. So now, because today Bitcoin is around $24,000 thereabouts, that was a kind of loss in the value. So now, is this another pump and dump? No, this is definitely no other pump and dump. The owners and employers have rules to keep on where it's even impossible to dump the coin. These rules you can read in our bylaws. You can find them in the mentioned paragraph 5.6 in the terms and conditions. So this is not a dump and pump coin. It's a real coin tending to be used for transactions. Why do we give away free coins? Well, we give away coins so the coin can be for the public and not for the company itself. We are only there to regulate and control the transactions to be as safe as possible. We will create an ecosystem where CoinX will be the method of payments. If you are thinking we are only doing this for the money, you are wrong. Please read our bylaws for more information. How do we protect counterfeit coins? Each coin that has been handled creates a unique code in the blockchain. Can you see that? The coin will be only run in our blockchain. So always get your coin on BPP, which is Blockchain Proved Provider website. For more information, follow new topics. I lost my coin. What do I have to do now? Send a message to support@coinxminer.com. We will look what we can do for you. I might have found an error or bug. Where can I report this? While using the CoinX app, it is possible you might stumble on a bug. Reporting a noteworthy bug can be rewarded by sending us the bug details to our bug and error email. Possible errors and bugs can be reported to feedback@coinxminer.com. Do I have to register myself with an ID on CoinX? By investing in the pre-sale, it is possible to pass KYC using official documentation. This can be done using the website cnxnetwork.org. What is ShopX? Can you see that? ShopX. Hey. ShopX is a shop where you can buy things in exchange for coin. The shop will be earlier available than trading. Can you see that? So that means we establish the shop even before the trading. We are creating a network of users and businesses who accept CoinX as a payment method. So a ShopX is anywhere you can use CoinX to buy. Simple as ABC. How can I integrate CoinX payments in my website? In the future, we plan to launch an API, application programming interface, that you can implement in your web shop. It will be a valid payment option like PayPal or Ideal. Can you see that? What can I buy in ShopX? We don't want to tell too much about this project yet. Please follow our announcement for more information. It's getting more interesting, guys. Wow, I couldn't find my question. What can I do now? Send an email to faq@coinxminer.com. Note, possible replies can take up to 78 hours. I don't get notifications. What can I do? If you want to receive notification, you will have to stay on the same account. Don't log out. If you're facing issues with this, then please contact our support team. Am I allowed to create more than one account? It is not allowed to have more than one account for each person. When we are noticing users are creating more accounts than allowed to gain more CNS, then we will terminate the accounts and the IP will be banned from the server. Create multiple accounts is also useless, as we'll be implementing an identification check in WalletX. Wow, WalletX, ShopX, CoinX. Creating accounts to earn more coins is also useless, as all coins are saved in blockchain and falsely earned coins will be confiscated. Only coins earned by verified users will be usable in the future. What is blockware? Blockware v1.21 is the name and version of our blockchain software that is developed by us. Can I change my referral code? No, this is currently not possible. This is a very good run through. I want to change my invitation code. Where can I do this? Unfortunately, it's not possible to change your invitation code. Guys, thank you very much for running through this FAQ with me. We've both learned a lot in this FAQ. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.